Can you actually grow a small $300 account trading gold without blowing it up? Today, I'm showing you exactly how I optimized my automated trading algorithm over an exhaustive backtest using real tick data and a realistic 500 milliseconds execution delay. Look at this power. I ran 4 entirely different profit-taking strategies side by side. From a conservative $500 target up to an aggressive $10,000 compounding milestone, watch how smoothly these equity curves scale upward, handling gold's volatility beautifully. By letting profits ride, the most aggressive setting completely takes off, skyrocketing that original $300 balance into over $35,000 in total net profit, with a rock-solid recovery factor. But don't just take my word for backtests. Let's head over to the live MQL5 marketplace right now. If you go to the Signals tab and search for Gold Ring, you'll find my official verified master account live, showing steady growth since launch. Inside, you can see the verified stats match our baseline. A true $300 initial deposit, professional risk metrics, and tight equity control. The best part? You don't need to purchase the complex EA or configure anything. You can automatically mirror every single trade to your account.
Thanks for watching. The link to copy the live Gold Ring EA signal is right below in the description and pinned comment. Click it. Connect your account in 2 minutes and let's make some pips together. Smash that like button, subscribe for weekly performance updates, and I'll see you in the green.